I botched the whole last video. Now I'm AutoZone. We're gonna get April. We're gonna get April. You like this trick? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Stop them up a little bit. All right, so we're waiting for April to come out with the wiper blades, and then I'm gonna change them. Don't ever leave your wiper blades, wiper arms up without blades on them, because what happens is this. Smack! Crack your windshields. For everybody out there who's changing their wiper blades, the one thing I can teach you is either do it while it's all the way down, and you still run the risk of doing that. Now you could also put foam or something under here, or a blanket. Put them up, take the blade off while you're working, set it back down, and then go back up. That's the advice I can give to you guys if you're changing your wiper blades. So service, take it apart. As soon as you get this off, set it back down, and then get ready to put your new wiper blade up. If you want, put something under here to insulate the glass from breaking, because that piece, this will take out your windshield. Get in the zone, AutoZone. AutoZone Cinnaminson across the street from my shop. My shop is the Meineke shop. It's my shop, the Meineke shop on Route 130 in Cinnaminson. And the pretzel place is selling pretzels, and they're probably going to sell out of pretzels today. I believe that last week should have been the holiday week here in Cinnaminson, and it wasn't, because it was a miserable weekend that everyone said, yeah, I'm calling out this week. Yeah. YouTube video. I'm trying to get you more customers. Edit? No. No edits. Straight real deal. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. I advise everyone to do videos. Yeah, I don't edit nothing. If there's a blooper or a curse or anything, we just hit it. All right, so you're gonna video me doing my wiper blade. Okay. And I'm an expert too. Yeah. I've been doing this a long time.
Oh no, so you're done already.
You should be done already?
Yeah.
You probably do more than I do. I'll get aggravated and I'll start breaking things.
Squeeze that bottom piece underneath.
I can't get my finger in there.
I don't want to win your videos out of the night.
That's all right.
Let's stop it.
Are you want it?
No, I'm good. Let's bring back. Careful though.
This thing's pissing me off.
Let's break it up. Break it up there.
There you go.
Oh, I thought he broke it.
Take your time now.
See that? Did they teach you that in windshield wiper school, to put them down?
Yeah, we have a thing there though. I put on the windshield.
Oh, you have something here?
Yeah, you put it right on it.
Dude, have you ever heard anyone breaking one here?
One lady come here, yo. So I said to her, Miss, can I do what I'm doing for you? Nah, I got it. And yo, she went over there, she take it off, bang! She said, oh. She called her husband, look, I just break the windshield.
Yeah. See that?
Yo, it was smack, bro. And the car was brand new too.
Peel the sticker off. I actually saw someone come in to my shop, and they still had these pieces on.
That's bad.
Yeah. So make sure you take that off. I was actually at another shop.
Right in the middle. Squeeze in the middle.
Yeah. I was at another shop, and the guy was in the parking lot. He just bought wiper blades, and he's a little mom and pop part store.
Yeah.
And he couldn't figure it out. I said, these are a pain in the ass, dude. So I actually went over there and helped him. Are these the best wiper blades?
Yep.
Those are the best. Those are the Renix.
The last time I bought the best wiper blades, they said they were the best.
These are the best. This is what we put on the black F-150.
They're bad too. They
No,
didn't even make it a snowstorm.
No, not that black F-150. The black.
Oh, yeah, okay. We put them on our plow trucks, and I guess we got the cheap ones. They didn't hold up.
The Bosch is good too.
What is it?
Bosch.
Bosch?
Bosch is good. But that one right there, I don't like that thing there. Two fingers.
Oh.
My fingers.
You gotta talk. You gotta speak, man. You gotta speak.
My fingers are done after a day's worth of work.
Oh damn, man. Sorry about that, man.
I think I have arthritis, tendonitis,
You know it's good for that.
customer-itis.
You know it's good for that.
What? Whiskey?
No, What's up, what's up? Garlic.
Garlic?
Garlic and
We.
turmeric.
I don't eat a lot. I take turmeric every night.
Yeah, but you gotta mix it and get it.
Garlic and turmeric.
Yeah, and ginger.
Red ginger. I love. Thanks for watching.